Welcome to part 1 of our video series discussing reprogramming control units and Generation 4 processors. In this video series, we will discuss reprogramming procedures for model year 2014 and later tractors equipped with Generation 4 command centers. Possible reasons for reprogramming a control unit and a Generation 4 processor include when a dealer-installed option has been installed, a product improvement program or PIP becomes available, a control unit has been replaced, or a control unit is reprogrammed due to software improvements becoming available. In this video, we will discuss the steps required to locate and download both payloads and packages needed to reprogram our tractor. Instructions to perform these tasks are located in Service Advisor. After entering the appropriate model, open the Diagnostics and Test Manual. Section 245, Electronic Controllers. Group 5, General Information. Topic, Programming Control Units. Notice under Programming Control Units, a note indicates you will need a USB drive that is 4 gigabytes or larger in size. We recommend you purchase one USB drive and dedicate it to be used only for Generation 4 processor reprogramming. Here, you are instructed to download the latest Generation 4 operating system update files to this USB before going to the field. This is because Service Advisor may require you to install the latest version of tractor applications on the Generation 4 processor before a control unit can be reprogrammed. Also, a web address is provided to Software Manager, where Generation 4 packages can be downloaded and release notes can be viewed. Under Update Command Center Display Software, it explains that Service Advisor will be used to download and install payloads into the control units. However, tractor applications must be downloaded onto a USB drive using Software Manager. Additional information is also located under Programming Command Center. Let's show you how this all works. First, insert your dedicated USB flash drive into your laptop. This USB will need to be formatted to either the FAT or FAT32 format before it can be used. To format a drive, double-click on Computer, located on your desktop. Once open, locate your dedicated USB drive and perform a right mouse click on it. Locate and click Format. A Format Removable Disk box will open. Open the File System drop-down. Select either FAT or FAT32. We will choose the FAT32 default format provided here. Then enter a volume label or name for this drive. With Quick Format checked, click Start. A warning box will appear to let you know that all data on this USB will be erased. Click OK to format the USB drive. Once complete, click OK, then close remaining windows. Your USB drive is now ready to use. Please note that formatting is only required once for a new USB drive. Now, on Service Advisor, return to the home page. Open Reprogramming and select a model. Choose Edit Model and enter your PIN for your machine. Click Save PIN. Service Advisor will now retrieve and display payload information for this machine. Once open, you can expand a controller box and view additional information. make note of the payload size. Here, for the chassis controller, only its size of 685 kilobits is listed. This indicates that no additional packages are required for the Generation 4 processor. The VTV, however, displays 87 kilobits plus VTV updates. Whenever the plus VTV updates is displayed, you will also need to install packages with this payload using files stored on your USB drive. If plus VTV is displayed, be sure to install your dedicated USB drive into your computer before downloading this payload. You can also click Show Packages to view information on available packages. To download a payload like this VTV payload, place a check in the box to select. Click the Action drop-down and select Download Selected Payloads. Then click Go. A message will be displayed indicating this payload also requires packages to download on a USB. Be sure to insert your dedicated USB if you have not already done so. Click OK to continue. If this message appears a second time, Software Manager is most likely not installed on your computer. If this does occur, you will need to perform a one-time install by clicking on the link and installing Software Manager. Once open, click Download. When asked, select Run to download and install Software Manager. Click Next to set up Software Manager. Click Next again to choose default components. Then click Install to save at default location. Click Finish to complete the setup and install on your computer. If John Deere Software Manager was previously installed on this computer, it will open automatically at this point. Once Software Manager opens, select the Drive drop-down and select the drive location of your dedicated USB jump stick. 3 steps are then required. First, click Download. This will download current files onto your computer hard drive. Please note these files are stored onto the hard drive and will still need to be moved over to your USB drive. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and the size of the files available. Done will be displayed when finished. Next, with dedicated USB installed, click Sync. This step will compare current files with existing files on your USB. Then only files needed will be deleted and replaced on your USB to reduce time. If, however, this is the first time you have used the USB, all files will need to be copied over, and this process may take a considerable amount of time. So be sure to start this process in advance of your trip to the machine. When done, click Upload. This is a very important step. This will send return files back to John Deere, updating the database for the tractors you have previously programmed. Please note that you can also click the Do All button. This will then run through all 3 steps sequentially while you are doing other work. We strongly recommend that after reprogramming of this machine is complete, you once again install your USB into your computer, open Software Manager, and repeat the upload step to upload and return updated return files for this machine to ensure our records are up to date. Once all these steps are done, close Software Manager. Before removing the USB flash drive, use the Safely Remove Hardware and Eject Media tool located in the tray at the bottom of your computer screen. Click Eject Flash Drive. Once Safe to Remove Hardware is displayed, you can then safely remove your USB drive. This concludes Part 1 of our programming video series. Part 2 will discuss procedures to install both payloads and packages into your machine controllers.